Alright, we just washed dishes and Mr. Brink was scrubbing the dishes. He was sitting right here. I said, holy buckets, look behind you. And we saw one of the biggest spiders I have ever seen. That dude is big. Looks like he's missing a leg. I think he is. Look at that thing. I guess they left the dishes for me to pick up. Nice. Nice. Hello, my name is Scott Brink. I hate spiders, just like my good friend Scott Schaefer.
I don't like spiders. Did you hear me telling Dallas that? Me and Tanya toured a prison in Rawlins, Wyoming. I'll take the coffee pot. In Rawlins, Wyoming, still had the gallows and the gas chamber. Yeah. The gallows was built, I can't remember the guy's last name, but this guy built, and it was his gallows that he invented because nobody wanted to be the executioner. So you would go in to the gallows and you would stand over the false floor and they'd make you kick a trigger that would dump a bucket that would trickle, just like the coffee pot, trickle into another bucket, and when that weight offset it, it'd trigger another mechanism that false floor went out. So guys would fall through the floor. You'd actually kill yourself. And they said it took, for the amount of water, it took about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And you can hear the, they had it and they showed it. You could hear the water trickling in. It'd be a long 1.5 minutes. They're not long enough. Now you know the rest of the story, Dallas. You can tell your friends.
Sir.
There's a mouse hole in the coffee bag.
What?
Psych.
Why do I ever even listen to a word you say?
I have no idea. That don't make
Because when
no
you don't,
sense.
he gets mad at you.
Yeah, he does.
Thank you.
Yep.
I could hear Scott snoring today in bed.
No way.
Yes, because I thought it was him. It was after 6 o'clock.
It wasn't me. No, 6
I
o'clock.
swear to you, I could hear somebody snoring.
It couldn't have been that bad. I don't really snore that much anymore.
Maybe it was you. It was earlier then. Maybe we got a bear in camp. Hell, I don't know. Or maybe it was you up on the toilet.
Could be. I was up there long enough I could have fell asleep.
What the hell? Yeah. That's why we didn't hear a word out of it. You fell asleep on the toilet.
I must have lost some time.
Scott runs up the hill. Hey!
Might not have been snoring, it might have been grunting.
Please!
Whoa, that was
Thank you.
Farland, would you throw this and that other thing and zip it?
And this? Is this where you want it?
That, and the other thing. Something else I meant to tell Dallas when he said something to me. I was going to tell him, that's on a need to know basis, and you don't need to know.
Where's your lid here?
You gonna put this up the tree before we leave, or you gonna leave
That's
it out
going
here?
right here. That's
Right
going
here?
right next to you.
All right.
They don't mess with it. I got a pocket full of shells. Do you guys like the group Rage Against the Machine?
That's what made you think of that, isn't it?
Pocket full of shells.
Yep.
They're very political.
Really?
How do you feed your family with a pocket full of shells, Garland? How?
Yeah. Did you ever think of that?
Yeah. I think that's it.
What is it that he says? The same people that are making the rules are the same people that are breaking them, basically. And they are.
Hold on. Yeah.
Food bag ready? Food bag trip?
Yep.
I believe so.
I'm fishing with Scott Schaefer today. Do you know why? Because we're the
'Cause I
coolest.
stink.
We're the coolest. Well, that has a little bit to do with it. We're the coolest in the group.
You just wanted to keep the Beanie Hat twins apart.
You know why? Because I didn't fish with him on Contentment the last time. Did I? I was with Ben. No, I fished with you on
Well, I
Contentment.
was with Scott.
I fished with Ben on Contentment.
Yeah.
Because that's when you casted to my canoe and hit my canoe, and then I decided to cast you, and I broke my stinking
Broke your
pole.
pole.
I remember that. I cast it, and psh, I was like, you look at me like, what?
This
Ben.
place must be cursed for
Ben
breaking
goes,
poles.
we can fix it.
Every
we can fix
time.
it. I fixed the pole with a bubble gum wrapper, or with a chewing gum wrapper, and duct tape. And it
Whatever,
worked.
MacGyver.
I might, before we go, I might switch rods. That's a heavier duty rod. It doesn't take long to switch out a rod. I might. Let's get that bad boy done.
Ah.
Okie dokie. Smokey. Hey, wait.
Yes.
And then I gotta brush my teeth eventually.
We all need to. Ugh.
I'm almost convinced Ben tried to climb that rock. I know he did the one on, we all climbed the rock on Gibby.
Yeah.
I think he tried to climb that. Look at this all through here. Have you noticed all that? How it's a channel down there?
Yep.
And when it rained, man, you can hear the water pouring in here.
We are accumulating trash.
Why?
I know. I'm gonna try to get that in here.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
We're hanging it when we leave because we don't want a bear getting it. We're hanging
Probably
it.
hung it just a little bit during the day. And we hang it.
We usually leave it off the
all the
ground a
way
little
up
bit
at
to keep
night.
the chipmunks out of it when we're here.
Yeah, we're gonna hang it.
Okay.
We don't want to feed the bear.
Oh,
right
yeah.
now, and they only have a pocket full of
Yeah.
claws. They got a pocket full of claws.
4 pockets.
Yeah. You know, I wouldn't eat it.
Ta-da!
4 bags. Baba.
902 and all is well.
901.
Scott,
Hmm?
talk to your son.
I will. I'll have to smack him.
He
And then-
just said the C word 3 times. I asked him the second time not to say it again. I was offended, and he just looked at me and said it.
He gave you the finger, didn't
And
he?
then he said the F word.
Oh.
You better not say that shit around Tanya, though. She'll kick your
And then
ass.
Garland says a swear word. I'm offended. Your language is offensive, sir. I'll say it.
The food bag, she's getting lighter, I can tell.
There you go. Right there.
All right.
That pulley does help.
As long as the rope doesn't slip out of it. There are a lot of big, big boulders at this campsite.
Look at that. How is that one not going? It's that one that's holding it. That one is just holding.
Look what's right below that if it starts rolling.
Not
Right
good.
between the 2 boulders.
You better hope it deflects off of this one.
Look at this.
Whoa.
That's reminiscent of the last time we were here. Hey, Schaefer, check this out. A diggy 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 diggy.
God, you hear that clear down there.
Do you think I could fit this in my canoe for balance?
It could.
Yeah.
Roll it into the canoe and the canoe goes.
That used to be attached